Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I want to talk to you about writing returns policy for personalized products. So if you're offering personalized products in your store, so items someone can personalize with their own images, inscription and so on, you cannot offer the same returns policy as the store selling clothing and home decor and so on, because you cannot resell. If someone returns the item, you cannot resell the product to somebody else. So you cannot use in this instant default Shopify policy. There are specialist policies, return policies for stores selling personalized items, and basically it covers you as a business, because first and foremost, your return policy has to be a little bit shorter, for example 14 days, and then make sure to include that only items that have been either damaged in the during the delivery, or perhaps the print is not very good quality. Sometimes you outsource them, so you cannot control them yourself because they are drop shipped, and sometimes the names are misspelled. So in those cases, obviously, you are prepared to refund and to accept the return of the product. However, don't be tempted to go with the standard Shopify policy, because it mentions you accept all of the products, no matter who orders them, in what condition, or not what condition, but obviously whether they are personalized or not. So you need to be careful with your wording on returns policy, because people might assume that they can still get their money back if they order personalized products and then they like it, and you might be out of pocket, because obviously you cannot return it to the manufacturer, get money back from them, and you cannot resell it. So I recommend writing your own unique returns policy. Underneath this video is a sample returns policy that you can use as a template. However, don't use the same wording because obviously of the duplicate content issues, but make sure to add info about your own requirements, where to return the product, how to contact you beforehand, whether customers need your kind of approval before return the item. Do they need to send the photo of the damaged or misspelled product, and so on. So make sure to cover all of these details in the policy, and you will avoid having unsatisfied customers, and obviously negative feedback, because you really don't want to risk someone leaving negative review about your store. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please click like underneath this video, and please subscribe for more e-commerce and conversion rate tips. Bye bye.